A Korean woman tries Jamaican food for the first time, and her reaction, priceless. I don't blame her because Jamaican food is amazing. Let me know your favorite dish in the comments.
So, Mom, you never had Jamaican food before?
No, looks awesome.
It's like a braised oxtail, and they call this gravy. It's not sauce. I kept calling it sauce, and they corrected me, and
Gravy.
it's actually called gravy. You can just eat it off the bone, I guess.
Mm,
Yeah, the gruel.
What do you think?
very good. Oh
I,
my god.
I think I get the head shake from you. You have the same head shake when you really love something.
Like this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now, okay.
Mm.
So I don't know, I haven't tried this. This is the festival, they call it festival. So can you try that? What do you think about the veggies? That's the steamed veggies.
Mm.
No, everything hits.
And then even though it's rice and beans, Jamaicans call it rice and peas.
Mm.
Good?
So good. Wow. I cannot stop. Mm.
So let's try that now.
What is it?
I don't know. It's called festival. It's like a fried dough.
Sounds good. Oh my god.
Everything touch her soul.
Now dip it in the gravy. That's just really good together.
Mm.
You must be hungry. So your first Jamaican food experience is a good one then.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they're definitely like one of the best around. So,
Definitely.
so can you try the curry chicken?
Mm-hmm. Oh, they're like bone in.
Mm-hmm.
I like things that bone in. It's better.
Of course.
Wow.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very good flavor. They gave me a sample of the shrimp one. It's very good. It's got a spice to it too. It's like,
Mmm. This is really good. Oh my gosh.
you can't stop eating.
Mm-mm. I really like them both.
So
100%, 100%. I like them both.
they're both perfect score. 10 out of 10.
Yes. And the rice too. The rice is really done right.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Not chewy as most of the restaurant rice. Not so sticky as I make.
Yeah.
Just right. And the beans too. Mmm.
Well, there you have it.
And the vegetable. Oh my gosh.
My mom's actually a harsher critic than me at restaurant food, and she gave it a higher score than I did, I think.
Actually, I am. But this is really good. I don't know.
Yeah, I haven't tried this one, so I'm going to try it
You
for the
should.
first time. So this is the festival.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm trying the festival for the first time. It's like a doughy little donut or something. I don't know if it's going to be sweet or savory. I have no idea. But here we go.
Wow.
Mmm.
Oh wow.
It is like a donut. It was really good.
Like a donut.
It's not too sweet. There's a little bit of sweetness to it though.
That's perfect.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So good that you don't even need a butter or nothing. You can just eat.
You don't need butter.
Mmm.
Butter in there already.
Yeah. So if I have it with oxtail, all right, here we
Oh, this is so good. I cannot stop.
go. Mm.
You can't stop.
This with the gravy is really good. Very, very good.
Mmm. No time to use fork or anything. Finger licking.
So she don't need no fork.
This gravy. Wow. It's so good that you can just dip anything.
Yeah.
You can eat with anything. This is really good.
Very good. Mm-hmm.
I cannot wait to come back.
You're gonna come back and get it again?
Yes.
I want to try some other stuff they have on the menu too next time.
Mmm. Easy on the curry. Mmm.
All right. Well, that's the review. My mom approves. I'm sure my dog Sully approves too.
No doubt.
Here's a little bit of festival for you. You tell me your review.
This is really good.
You
Wow.
love it, don't you? I'll have to give some to Leia. They do love donuts. Mom, you're still eating. So my mom tells me all the time. She always tells me to have to slow down and eat really slow. But like ever since I've been recording her eat this, she has been seriously going at it. She hasn't even taken a little break.
I didn't even take a breath. I'm chewing. Mmm. Wow.
So this is an honest review. Like she was gonna give an honest review, and she loves it. Well, this is gonna be gone really quick here, I think.
Oh my gosh. This is
All right, so that's the review, and hopefully we'll do another review with my mom one day.
Yo, at one point, I had to check if her fingernails were still there. Believe me. Because the way she was digging in. And like she said, she didn't need a fork. Can't blame her. Because she had oxtail. She had the stewed vegetables with it, which she couldn't contain herself when she tasted the oxtail. And like she said, you don't even need any butter. No, the butter in there already. You don't need no butter. The butter in there already. It's not like foreign food where they have, when you go to a restaurant, they have salt and pepper on the table. Because if the food is missing something, you can sprinkle a little bit. No. Everything is there already. That's how Jamaicans cook. And then her son brought out the festival. Talking about it now, believe me, the festival, one of my all-time favorites when it's done right. Festival, trust me. Even the rice and peas hit her for 6. Yeah. Yo, trust me. Amazing. I love to see the reactions. And trust me, we're not done. We are not done. We have more non-Jamaicans trying Jamaican food.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's probably top 5 thing I ever had in my life, bro.
Top 5?
Hope my mama ain't watching it. It's almost gone, man. Them niggas close at 9 o'clock. It's 7:58. I might go back. Y'all, I went my whole life without trying Jamaican food, bro. My whole life, bro. My whole life, bro. Hey, bro. If anybody on my friends list is Jamaican and they can cook like that, listen, I got a lot to offer. If you can cook Jamaican food, I have a lot to offer you. I need you. I want you. Oh, God.
Man got oxtail and it changed his life. Changed his life, big time. Can't lie. When you get the good oxtail, you don't know. You already know what's going on there, to be honest. Yo, if you made it so far into the video, please don't forget to hit that like button because we have tons of crazy Caribbean, Jamaican reactions coming up and so much more on the channel. And it helps the channel out a lot. And it's free. It's free. So do it for the channel. Do it for the channel. So we have one more reaction to go. And this one is, you know what? Let's get into it.
My USA friend trying brown stew chicken for the first time.
Body of man. You gotta give him two of them bad words, man. Body of no.
What you having?
Oh no, ain't no cloud. It's good. Cloud is good. No, ain't no cloud. Oh man. God damn, bro. Yeah. But I know what y'all want to hear. Ready?
Yeah, it touches everybody. Jamaican food touches everybody. And let me know in the comments, because I know a lot of my subscribers are from different parts of the Caribbean. But let me know in the comments, what's your favorite food? It doesn't have to be Jamaican. It doesn't have to be Jamaican. Let me know what's going on in your side of the woods. Let me know what your favorite food is. Drop it in the comments. And like I said, hit that like button or the hype button. It does a lot for the channel. And to stay in the loop, because we're dropping videos fast and furious, so subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. And remember, it's not just a destination, it's the journey. Later.